Odisha state symbol. State animal, sambar deer. State bird, Indian roller. State flower, Ashoka. State tree, Ashwatha. State animal, sambar deer. The sambar deer is the state animal of Odisha, India. It is the largest species of deer in India and is native to the Indian subcontinent. State bird, Indian roller. The state bird of Odisha is the Indian roller, Coracias bengalensis, also known as the Nilkant. It's a colorful bird with a blue throat, and its presence is common across the state and other parts of Asia. State flower, Ashoka. The state flower of Odisha is the Ashoka flower, Saraka Asoka. The flower, which blooms in dense clusters and has vibrant orange yellow to deep red colors, is known for its cultural significance in both Hindu and Buddhist traditions. State tree, Ashwatha. The state tree of Odisha is the Ashwatha or peepal tree, Ficus religiosa, also known as the sacred fig. It holds significant cultural and religious importance in Hinduism, Jainism, and Buddhism, with a rich history tied to spirituality and enlightenment. Tourist places in Odisha. Museums in Odisha and museum location. Odisha State Maritime Museum, Cuttack. Odisha Crafts Museum, Kalbhumi, Bhubaneswar. Mahamhopadhyay Chandrasekhar Planetarium, Bhubaneswar. Regional Museum of Natural History, Bhubaneswar. Tribal Museum, Bhubaneswar. Odisha State Museum, Bhubaneswar. Odisha State Maritime Museum, Cuttack. The Odisha State Maritime Museum is located in Jobra, Cuttack, Odisha, near the Mahandi River. It is situated on the south bank of the river and is housed within the historical Jobra workshop, which dates back to 1869. Odisha Crafts Museum, Kalbhumi, Bhubaneswar. Odisha Crafts Museum, also known as Kalbhumi Designed by Architects Studio, is a museum in Bhubaneswar, Odisha, India, dedicated to the art and crafts of Odisha. It was inaugurated by the Chief Minister of Odisha, Naveen Patnaik, on 22nd March 2018. Mahamhopadhyay Chandrasekhar Planetarium, Bhubaneswar. The Mahamhopadhyay Chandrasekhar Planetarium, more commonly known as the Pathani Samantha Planetarium, is a public observatory and educational facility in Bhubaneswar, Odisha, dedicated to promoting astronomy and science awareness. Regional Museum of Natural History, Bhubaneswar. The Regional Museum of Natural History, Bhubaneswar, is a museum in Bhubaneswar, Odisha, India, with exhibits on plants, animals and geology of the eastern region of India. The Regional Museum of Natural History at Bhubaneswar was inaugurated in 2004. Tribal Museum, Bhubaneswar. Tribal Research Institute Museum, Museum of Tribal Arts and Artifacts, is a museum in Bhubaneswar, Odisha, inside the campus of Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribes Research and Training Institute. It is popularly known as Tribal Museum and conceptually labeled as Museum of Man. Odisha State Museum, Bhubaneswar. Odisha State Museum is a museum in Bhubaneswar, Odisha. In its original form, it was established in 1932 and later moved to the current building in 1960. The museum is divided into 11 sections, viz. Archaeology, Epigraphy, Numismatics, Armory, Mining and Geology, Natural History, Art and Craft, Contemporary Art, Patta Painting, Anthropology and palm leaf manuscripts. The museum is headed by a superintendent and the administrative control lies in the hands of Cultural Affairs Department, Government of Odisha. Waterfalls in Odisha. waterfalls. Location: Barehi Pani, Mayurbhanj, Khandadhar Falls, Sundargarh, Sangagra Waterfall, Keonjhar, Joranda, Mayurbhanj, Devkund, Baripda, Badghagra, Kendujhar, Harishankar, Gandhamardan Hills, Duduma, Koraput, Koilighugar, Lakhanpur. Barehi Pani. Barehi Pani waterfall is the highest and a famous two-tiered waterfall in Odisha, located in the Simlipal Tiger Reserve in the Mayurbhanj district. It is also the second highest waterfall in India, falling from a height of approximately 399 meters, 1,309 feet, over a wide cliff. Fed by the Budhbalanga River, it cascades dramatically into a broad pool, creating a spectacular view amidst the rich wildlife and dense forests of the reserve. Khandadhar Waterfalls. Sundargarh, second highest waterfall of the state. The Khandadhar Falls is located in Nandapani, Bonagadh in the Sundargarh district on the Indian state of Odisha. It is the 9th highest waterfall in India and the second highest in Odisha after Barehi Pani Falls in Mayurbhanj. Sangagra Waterfall. The Sangagra Waterfall is a waterfall located in the Kendujhar district in the Indian state of Odisha. It is located 3 kilometers upstream of Badghagra Waterfall, also in Kendujhar. Joranda Waterfall. Joranda Waterfall is a 490-foot, 150-meter, high, single-drop waterfall located within the Simlipal National Park in the Mayurbhanj district of Odisha, India. Devkund Waterfall. Devkund Waterfall refers to two distinct, popular natural sites in India, one in Maharashtra, near Bhira, known for its plunge waterfall and picnic spot, and another in Odisha's Simlipal National Park, Devkunda, within a national park, known for a sacred pond and a trek through nature. Badghagra Waterfall. Badghagra is a perennial waterfall in Odisha's Keonjhar district, located near the district headquarters, known for its scenic beauty within a dense green forest. With a drop of about 60 to 70 meters, 200 feet, it's situated on the Machkandana River, a tributary of the Baitarani River, and is a popular spot for tourists and picnickers. Harishankar Waterfall. Harishankar Waterfall is a beautiful and spiritual destination in the Gandhamardan Hills of Bolangir district, Odisha, India, famous for its serene cascade, lush greenery, and the nearby Harishankar temple, dedicated to Lord Vishnu, Hari, and Lord Shiva, Shankar. Duduma Waterfall. Duduma Waterfall is a tall, picturesque cascade formed by the Machkund River, located on the border of Odisha and Andhra Pradesh. It is a significant natural attraction, standing at about 175 meters, 574 feet, high, with a distinct two-tiered drop. The area is known for its lush green forests, mountains, and a hydroelectric power project nearby. Visitors can access the site via a pathway with steps, enjoy the natural showers, and find picnic spots. Koilighugar Waterfall. Koilighugar Waterfall is a scenic, around 200-foot-tall waterfall in the Jharsuguda district of Odisha, formed by the Ahiraj rivulet descending through rocky terrain near Lakhanpur. Important historical sites in Odisha. Ruins of the Buddhist temples and images. Bandareswar, Lalitgiri. Cuttack. Hill containing many valuable sculptures, images and inscriptions related to Buddhism. Chandiya. Cuttack. Chandeswar Pillar. Siryapur, Cuttack. Rock-cut relief of Vishnu Rasol. Dhenkanal. Ashoka rock inscriptions at Jogda, Pandya. Ganjam. Prehistoric sites Baidyapur. Mayurbhanj. Paintings on the rock locally known as Ravnachaya and other ancient monuments and remains Sitabhanji. Keonjhar. Rock inscription of the edicts of Ashoka and the sculpture of elephant. Dhauli Khurda. Small rock cut cell with a niche and an inscription of Santikara. Dhauli Khurda. Lalitgiri, Cuttack. Lalitgiri is a major Buddhist complex in the Indian state of Odisha. The complex is home to stupas, esoteric Buddha images, and monasteries, viharas, which is the oldest site in the region. Significant finds at this complex include Buddha's relics. Tantric Buddhism was practiced at this site. Together with the Ratnagiri and Udayagiri sites a short distance away, Lalitgiri is part of the Diamond Triangle of Buddhist sites. It used to be thought that one or all of these were the large Pushpagiri Vihara known from ancient records, but this has now convincingly located at a different site. Chandiya, Cuttack. The description hill containing many valuable sculptures, images and inscriptions related to Buddhism in or near Cuttack points to Lalitgiri, a major Buddhist complex located in Cuttack, Odisha. Lalitgiri is known for its ancient stupas, esoteric Buddha images, monasteries, and Buddha relics, with the oldest finds dating from the 5th to 11th centuries. Siryapur, Cuttack. The Chandeswar pillar is a monolith, a single large stone pillar, located at Siryapur, which is now considered part of the Jajpur town, though it was historically associated with Cuttack district, Odisha. The pillar is a significant ancient site, standing on an elevated platform made of 3 stone blocks. Dhenkanal. The Anantashayi Vishnu or Anantashayana Vishnu is a large, 9th century open-air rock-cut relief of Lord Vishnu in the Dhenkanal district of Odisha, India. Located in the village of Saranga on the banks of the Brahmani river, it is India's largest exposed horizontal rock-cut structure of Vishnu, measuring 15.4 meters, 51 feet, in length. The sculpture, depicting Vishnu reclining on the serpent Ananta, is a protected monument maintained by the Archaeological Survey of India, and worship continues at the site. Ganjam. The Ashoka rock inscriptions at Jogda are major rock edicts 1 to 10 and separate edicts 1 and 2. Jogda is a location in Ganjam district, Odisha, that contains these inscriptions from circa 250 BCE, which provide instructions on running the empire and Ashoka's policy of Dhamma. Baidyapur, Mayurbhanj. Baidyapur in Mayurbhanj is a known Neolithic site where Paramananda Acharya reported artifacts in the early 20th century, but the most prominent excavated Neolithic site in the region is Kuchai. Kuchai has yielded tools such as hoes, chisels, and grinding stones from the Neolithic period dating back to 1750 BC. Kuliana and Kamarpara are also important Paleolithic, Old Stone Age, sites that were explored by E.C. Warman and Paramananda Acharya in the late 1930s according to Shodhganga. Keonjhar. The Ravnachaya, rock shelter at Sitabhanji in Keonjhar district, Odisha, features ancient tempera paintings from the 4th to 6th century CE, depicting a royal procession with a king, horsemen, and attendants, offering a glimpse into the period's art and royal life. Dhauli Khurda. The rock edict inscriptions, engraved in Prakrit language in Brahmi script, have information on better administrative policies based on Ashoka's humanitarian consideration. Similarly, the Dhauli Rock Edict speaks about the transformative event in Ashoka's life after the devastating Kalinga War. Famous universities of Odisha. North Odisha University, Mayurbhanj, Berhampur University, Ganjam, Odisha University of Agriculture and Technology. Bhubaneswar, Ravenshaw University. Cuttack, Biju Patnaik University of Technology. Rourkela, Utkal University. Bhubaneswar, Fakir Mohan University. Balasore, Sambalpur University. Sambalpur, Utkal University of Culture. Bhubaneswar. North Odisha University Mayurbhanj. North Odisha University is now known as Maharaja Shriram Chandra Bhanja Deo University, MSCBU, a public university. Located in Baripda, Mayurbhanj district, Odisha, India. Founded on 13th July 1998 by the Government of Odisha, it became operational in 1999 as an affiliating university. The university is recognized by the University Grants Commission (UGC) and is a hub for various colleges in the region. Berhampur University Ganjam. Berhampur University is a public teaching-cum-affiliating university located in Brahmapur, Berhampur, Ganjam, Odisha, India, established in 1967. It is known for its academic programs across various fields like science, arts, commerce, and management, offering both undergraduate and postgraduate courses. The university is accredited by the NAAC with an A grade and is recognized by the UGC. Odisha University of Agriculture and Technology Bhubaneswar. The Odisha University of Agriculture and Technology, OUAT, is a public state university located in Bhubaneswar, Odisha, India, established in 1962. As the second oldest agricultural university in India, it serves a triple mandate of teaching, research, and extension education in agriculture and allied sciences, offering both undergraduate and postgraduate programs through its 10 constituent colleges and centers. Ravenshaw University Cuttack. Ravenshaw University in Cuttack, established in 2006, is a state university that evolved from the historic 1868 Ravenshaw College. It is Odisha's oldest institution of higher education, historically significant for hosting the declaration of the state as a separate province and its early legislative assembly. Biju Patnaik University of Technology Rourkela. The Biju Patnaik University of Technology, BPUT, is a state-funded technical university located in Rourkela, Odisha, established on 21 November 2002 by the Odisha Legislative Assembly. Named after the former Chief Minister of Odisha, Biju Patnaik, it aims to provide high-quality technical education and has been recognized by the All India Council for Technical Education, AICTE, and the University Grants Commission, UGC. Kalinga Institute of Industrial Technology. Bhubaneswar. Kalinga Institute of Industrial Technology, KIT, formerly KIT, Bhubaneswar, is a private deemed university located in Bhubaneswar, Odisha, India. It was founded in 1992 as Industrial Training Institute in Bhubaneswar. In 2017 it was renamed Kalinga Institute of Industrial Technology following the UGC order to drop the term university from the name for all the institutes granted the status of deemed to be universities. National Institute of Technology Rourkela. The National Institute of Technology, NIT, Rourkela is a premier public technical institute in India, established in 1961 as a regional engineering college, REC, and converted to an NIT in 2002. It operates under the Ministry of Education, Government of India, and offers undergraduate, postgraduate, and doctoral programs in engineering and technology. Located in Rourkela, Odisha, the institute is known for its academic programs, strong placement records, and its status as a Tier 1 institution. Utkal University. Bhubaneswar. Utkal University is a public state government university located in Bhubaneswar, Odisha, India, established in 1943. It is the oldest university in the state and the 17th oldest in India, offering a range of undergraduate, postgraduate, and doctoral programs. The university is recognized by the University Grants Commission (UGC) and is known for its various faculties including B.Sc, BA, MBA, MCA, M.Com, M.Tech, M.Sc, LLM, and MA courses, according to Shiksha and Vedant. Fakir Mohan University Balasore. Fakir Mohan University, FM University, is a state university located at Nuapdi, Balasore, Odisha, India. It is named after Orhiya writer Fakir Mohan Senapti. Sambalpur University Sambalpur. Sambalpur University, located in the Jyoti Vihar campus in Burla, is a state university in Odisha, India, established in 1967 to serve the western Odisha region. It offers a variety of undergraduate, postgraduate, and doctoral programs across numerous departments and is recognized by the NAC with an A-grade accreditation. The university's jurisdiction covers multiple districts, and it is situated on a large, green 670-acre campus. Utkal University of Culture Bhubaneswar. Utkal University of Culture is a public university in Bhubaneswar, Odisha dedicated for research, teaching and education in the field of culture. Affiliations: University Grants Commission, Association of Indian Universities. Founded 9th June 1999. Campus: Urban, 45 acres, 18 ha. Chancellor, Governor of Odisha. Vice Chancellor, Prasanna Kumar Swain.
First in Odisha. First Chief Minister. Krishna Chandra Gajpati. First Woman Chief Minister. SMT Nandini Satpathy. First Ghana. Sir Chandula Madhav Lal Trivedi. First Central Minister of Odisha. Dr. Harekrishna Mehtab. First Chief Justice of Supreme Court. Rangnath Mishra. First Woman Commissioner. Ranu Mishra. First Woman IPS Officer of Odisha. Soumya Mishra. First Woman IS. Pragnya Parmita Das. First Orhiya Lok Sabha Speaker. Rabi Ray. First autobiography writer. Fakir Mohan Senapti. First Air Marshal. Saroj Jaina. First Cinema Hall of Odisha. Sitaram Vilas Talkies, SSBT, Berhampur. First Color Orhiya film. Gappa Helebi Sada, 1976. First newspaper. Utkal Deepika. First printing press. Utkal Printing Press. First river dam. Hirakud. First daily newspaper. Dainika Asha. First college. Revanshaw College, Cuttack, 1868. First medical college. Sri Ram Chandra Bhanja Medical College, Cuttack, 1944. First engineering college. University College of Engineering. Burla, 1956. First private engineering college. Olisa Engineering College, Bhubaneswar, 1986. First Orhiya poet. Mahakabi Salla Das. First Orhiya Everest mountaineer. Chetana Sahu. First Orhiya Arjuna awardees. Mindi Mohapatra. First Orhiya Police Commissioner. Shri Krishna Mohapatra. First Orhiya Padma Bhushan awardees. Professor Pranakrishna Parija. First Orhiya Padma Shri awardees. Lakshmi Narayan Sahu, for education. First Orhiya Foreign Justice. Lalithendu Mansingha. First Oriya American Ambassador. Lalithendu Mansingha. First District Collector. Jatindra Nath Mohanty. First Oriya ICS Officer. Neelmani Senapti. First Bharat Ratna Awardee of Odisha. V.V. Giri. First Chief Minister. Krishna Chandra Gajpati. Krishna Chandra Gajpati was a pivotal figure in the formation of a separate Odisha province and became its first Prime Minister, Premier, from 1st April to 18th July, 1937. After India's independence, the title of the leader of the provincial government was changed to Chief Minister, a position he did not hold. First woman Chief Minister SMT, Nandini Satpathy. The First Lady Chief Minister of Odisha Srimati Nandini Satpathy was born in Cuttack and did her degree from Ravenshaw College. She was the author of many poems and short stories and the editor of Oriya Monthly, Kalana. First Governor Sir Chandula Madhav Lal Trivedi. Sir Chandulal Madhvalal Trivedi, 2nd July 1893, 15th March 1980, was an Indian administrator and civil servant who served as the first Indian governor of the state of Punjab, then East Punjab, after independence in 1947. First Central Minister of Odisha Dr. Hare Krishna Mehtab. Hare Krishna Mehtab, born Hare Krishna Das, 21st November 1899, 2nd January 1987, was a leader of the Indian National Congress, a notable figure in the Indian independence movement and the Chief Minister of Odisha from 1946 to 1950 and from 1956 to 1961. He was popularly known by the sobriquet Utkal Keshri. First Chief Justice of Supreme Court Rangnath Mishra. Rangnath Misra, 25th November 1926 – 13th September 2012, was the 21st Chief Justice of India, serving from 25th September 1990 to 24th November 1991. He was also the first chairman of the National Human Rights Commission of India. First woman Commissioner Ranu Mishra. Bhubaneswar, Odisha's first woman Indian Police Service IPS officer Soumya Mishra is among the 102 President's Medals for Distinguished Service PSM awardees. In 1994 batch IPS officer of Telangana cadre, Mishra is now the Additional Director General ADG of Police, Telangana. First woman IS Pragnya Parmita Das. Pragnya Parmita Das is not the first woman IS officer in India. That distinction belongs to Anna Rajam Malhotra. Pragnya Parmita Das appears to be a faculty member at the Regional College of Management and potentially other institutions based on search results showing qualifications for an MBA and teaching positions, as well as another individual with a similar name being a PhD in computer science. There is also mention of a Pragyan Parmita Das being the Lady IS. First Oriya Lok Sabha Speaker Rabi Ray. Rabi Ray, 26 November 1926, 6 March 2017, was an Indian socialist politician, a Gandhian, a Speaker of the Lok Sabha and a former Union Minister. He hailed from Odisha. He joined the Socialist Party in 1948 and later became member of the Sanyukt Socialist Party, the Janata Party and the Janata Dal. First Air Marshal Saroj Jaina. There seems to be a misunderstanding. Air Marshal Saroj Jaina was the first Director General of Inspection and Safety in the Indian Air Force, a post upgraded to Air Marshal rank in 1986, and is notable for the position itself, not for holding an earlier rank of Air Marshal as the first. He served from February 1981 to December 1982 as Air Marshal and held the position of Assistant Chief of the Air Staff, Flight Safety and Inspection, before this promotion. First Cinema Hall of Odisha Sitaram Vilas Talkies, SSBT, Berhampur. The Sri Sitaram Vilas Talkies, SSVT, in Berhampur, founded by A.B. Chittai, was the first cinema hall in Odisha, opening in 1927 after construction began in 1911. The cinema, located near the municipality office in Berhampur, was severely damaged by the 1999 super cyclone, and only the gate remains today. First color Oriya film Gappa Hele Bi Sata, 1976. Gappa Hele by Sata is the first fully colored Oriya film from 1976, directed by Nagin Roy and starring Harish Mohapatra and Banja Mohanty. The film is considered a milestone in the Oriya film industry for its use of color. First newspaper Utkal Deepika. The first Oriya newspaper was the Utkal Deepika, a weekly publication founded by Gaurishankar Ray and Babu Bichitrananda Das on 4 August 1866 in Cuttack, Odisha. The newspaper played a crucial role in the socio-political and linguistic awakening of the Oriya people, advocating for the unification of Oriya-speaking regions and the preservation of the Oriya language. First printing press Utkal Printing Press. The Utkal Printing Press refers to a significant development in Oriya printing, though it was not the first printing press in the region. The first printing press was established in 1837 in Cuttack by missionaries, leading to the printing of the first Oriya book. However, it was the Cuttack Printing Company, founded by locals in 1865, and later the establishment of the Utkala Deepika newspaper in 1866 by Gaurishankar Ray, that marked a turning point, promoting literature as a saleable commodity and fostering a print public in Odisha. First river dam Hirakud. The Hirakud Dam, completed in 1957 across the Mahandi River in Odisha, India, is recognized as one of the first major multi-purpose river valley projects initiated after India's independence, rather than the very first river dam built in India. It is known for being the world's longest earthen dam and provides water for irrigation, flood control, and power generation. First daily newspaper Dainika Asha. Dainik Asha was a significant publication in Odisha, established by Sashi Bhusan Rath in 1928 in Brahmpur. It was the first Oriya daily newspaper and played a crucial role in spreading the freedom movement's message and advocating for the unification of Oriya-speaking regions. The newspaper had a prior weekly publication, Asha, which also began in 1913. First college Revanshaw College, Cuttack, 1868. Revanshaw University, formerly known as Revanshaw College, is a co-educational state university situated in Cuttack, Odisha on the eastern coast of India. Founded as Revanshaw College in 1868, the institution became a university in 2006. The university has 9 schools, 33 academic departments and a student enrollment of nearly 8,000. It is one of the oldest educational institutes in the country, and its history is synonymous with the history of modern Odisha. First Medical College Sri Ram Chandra Bhanja Medical College. Sri Ram Chandra Bhanja Medical College, SCBMCH, in Cuttack, Odisha, was established in 1944 as the Ulisa Medical College and is one of the pioneer medical institutions in eastern India for medical teaching, training, research, and patient care. It began with an initial intake of 22 students for the MBBS program and has since grown into a large, government-run institution, serving the state and beyond by providing medical services and producing numerous medical and paramedical professionals. First Engineering College University College of Engineering. The University College of Engineering, UCE, Burla, now known as Veer Surendra Sai University of Technology, Vasud, was the first engineering college in Odisha, founded in 1956. While not the first college in all of India or the British Empire, UCE Burla holds the distinction of being the first state engineering college in the region, established to meet the workforce needs of the nearby Hirakud Dam project. First private engineering college, Ulisa Engineering College. Ulisa Engineering College, OEC, is the first private engineering college in Odisha, India, founded in 1986 by the Nabajyoti Charitable Trust with the aim of providing quality technical education. Located in Bhubaneswar, OEC was established to serve a broader range of students and contribute to the state's technical landscape. First Oriya poet Mahakavi Salla Das. Mahakavi Salla Das is celebrated as the first poet and originator of Oriya literature in the 15th century, renowned for writing the Oriya Mahabharata, Vilanka Ramayana, and Chandi Purana. He was a contemporary of King Kapilendra of the Gajpati dynasty and helped popularize religious texts in the Oriya language, adapting them for the common people and contributing significantly to the development of Oriya literature. First Oriya Everest mountaineer Chetna Sahu. Jamshedpur, 21st July, mountaineers Pradeep Chandra Sahu and Chetna Sahu became the first couple from Ulisa to climb Metricton Everest, 29,028 feet, in their third attempt in May 2016. On the other hand, Chetna Sahu, being a Gujarati, became the first Gujarati to reach the summit of Metricton Everest. First Oriya Arjuna awardees Minti Mohapatra. Minti Mohapatra, she holds the distinction of being the first Oriya to receive the Arjuna Award in 1980. At just 15 years old, Minti was equally adept in athletics and cycling, a relatively lesser-known sports discipline at the time. Her medal at the 1970 National Games marked the beginning of her illustrious career. First Oriya Padma Shri awardees Lakshmi Narayan Sahu, for education. He was awarded Padma Shri in year 1955 for his contributions in field of literature and education. He was also given title of Itihas Ratna for his works and writings on history of Odisha. He was a member of Asiatic Society, president of Odisha Sahitya Academy and also a member of Servants of India Society. First Oriya Foreign Justice Lalithendu Mansingha. Mansingha was born and brought up in Odisha as the middle son of Oriya poet Mayadhar Mansingha. He was born at Nandla, Ramlinka Gram Panchayat, in Puri district of Odisha. He graduated with a master's degree in political science, receiving a gold medal for being top of the class. First Oriya American Ambassador Lalithendu Mansingha. Lalithendu Mansingha, Odisha Pride Lalit Mansingha, born 29 April 1941, is the former Indian diplomat, the Foreign Secretary of India, 1999 to 2000, an Indian ambassador to the United States on 15 March 2001. Prior to this, he had remained Indian High Commissioner to the United Kingdom. First District Collector Jatindra Nath Mohanty. The provided information does not confirm Jatindra Nath Mohanty as the first district collector. Instead, it identifies him as a distinguished philosopher and scholar born in 1928 in Ulisa, India, with no mention of a career as a district collector. The source only lists another person, Jatindra Nath Swain, as a collector in Perambalur district, Tamil Nadu, between 1997 and 1998. First Bharat Ratna awardee of Odisha V.V. Giri. He was the first president to be elected as an independent candidate. He was succeeded by Fakhruddin Ali Ahmad as president in 1974. After the end of his full term, Giri was honoured by the Government of India with the Bharat Ratna in 1975. Giri died on 24 June 1980. Largest longest in Odisha. Largest district, area-wise, Mayurbhanj. The largest district in Odisha by area is Mayurbhanj. This district is located in the eastern part of India and is one of the 30 districts within Odisha. Area, 10,418 square kilometers. Climate, Koppin. District subdivisions, Baripda, Bamanghati, Panchpir, Kaptipada. Division, Central Division. Largest district, population-wise, Ganjam. Ganjam is the most populous district in Odisha, with a population of 3,529,031 as per the 2011 census, making it the largest by population. Population, 3,529,031, 2011 census. Status, reports it as the most populous district in Odisha. Divisions, Ganjam is divided into 3 subdivisions, Bhanjnagar, Chhatrapur, and Palkhemundi. Largest fair Balyatra, Cuttack. Balyatra in Cuttack is Odisha's biggest and one of Asia's largest open-air trade fairs, celebrated to commemorate the region's rich maritime history and trade with Southeast Asian countries like Bali. Held annually on Kartika Purnima near the Mahandi River in Cuttack, the festival attracts millions of visitors and features stalls, cultural performances, and showcases Odisha's art and culture. Largest Lake Chilika. Chilika Lake is the largest lake in India by surface area, specifically the largest brackish water lagoon in the country and the second largest in the world. Located in the state of Odisha on India's east coast, it is a significant hotspot for biodiversity, serving as a crucial wintering ground for migratory birds and supporting various endangered species, including the Irrawaddy dolphin. Largest waterfall, Khandadhar Falls. Khandadhar Falls is not the largest waterfall, but rather the highest perennial waterfall in Odisha, India, dropping from a height of 244 meters, 801 feet. Key characteristics. Height, 244 meters, 801 feet. Location, situated in the Sundargarh district of Odisha, near Nandpani. Water source, the Korpani Nala, a small perennial stream. Largest hot springs, Atri, Bagmari. Atri, Bagmari, is known for its significant hot spring complex in Odisha, featuring natural, perennial hot springs with a water temperature around 57 degrees Celsius. The spring's sulfurous water is believed to have medicinal properties, particularly for skin ailments, and is a popular tourist attraction with religious importance due to the nearby Lord Hatkeshwar temple. Largest park, Ekamra Kanan, Bhubaneswar. Park location in Odisha, India. Type, Botanical Garden. Location, Nayapalli, Bhubaneswar. Area, 500 acres. Operated by Regional Plant Resource Center. Open, 1985. Largest port, Paradip Port. Paradip Port in Odisha has emerged as India's largest major port by cargo throughput, handling a record 145.38 million metric tons (MMT) in the financial year 2023-24, surpassing Deen Dayal Port in Gujarat. This achievement marks the first time in its history that Paradip Port has handled the highest volume of cargo, solidifying its position as a major hub for international trade and coastal shipping in India. Largest museum, Jaydev State Museum, Bhubaneswar. Established 1932, 93 years ago. Location, BJB. Nagar, Bhubaneswar, India. Director, Manjushri Samantarai. Owner, Government of Odisha. Largest pilgrim center, Puri. Puri's Sri Jagannath Temple is a prominent pilgrim center, often called the Sri Kshetra, and is known for its massive traditional kitchen, or Rosghara, which is one of the largest in the world. While not confirmed as the largest pilgrim center by the search results, the Jagannath Temple in Puri is a significant religious site with a vast complex. Largest railway platform, Bhubaneswar. The longest railway platform in Bhubaneswar is not the largest in Odisha. That title belongs to Raigada Railway Station, which features a 910-meter platform that is the longest in the state. Bhubaneswar's railway station is a major junction with 6 platforms, but none are exceptionally long enough to be considered the largest in the region. Largest railway junction Khordha Road. Khordha Road Junction, KUR, in Jatni, Odisha, is a major Indian railway station and a significant transportation hub, not the largest railway junction in India. It serves as a critical transit point within the East Coast Railway Zone and connects to destinations across the country, offering modern amenities for passengers. Largest airport Biju Patnaik International Airport, Bhubaneswar. Biju Patnaik International Airport, BBI, in Bhubaneswar is the largest airport in the state of Odisha. It serves as the primary airport for the state's capital city and is ranked among the busier airports in India, though its specific size in square meters or acreage isn't detailed in the provided snippets. The airport features both domestic and international terminals, with the larger domestic terminal spread over 18,240 sq meters. Largest fort Barapati Fort. Barapati Fort in Cuttack, Odisha, is a significant historic site spanning approximately 102 acres, featuring a 20-yard wide moat, an intricate gateway, and the earthen mound of a once 9-storied palace. Built by the Eastern Gangas in the 13th or 14th century, it served as a military and administrative center and a testament to Odisha's royal legacy. Largest library Hare Krishna Mehtab State Library, Bhubaneswar. The Hare Krishna Mehtab State Library in Bhubaneswar is indeed described as a large library and is the largest library in the state of Odisha. It serves as a prominent reference and lending library, established in 1959, and is located at Unit 4, Jawaharlal Nehru Marg. Largest town Cuttack. Cuttack is the second largest city in the Indian state of Odisha, located in the Mahanadi River Delta. It is the former capital of Odisha and the headquarters of the Cuttack district. The city is known for its long history, its silver filigree works, and its role as one of the twin cities with the state's current capital, Bhubaneswar. Largest temple Sri Jagannath Temple, Puri. The Sri Jagannath Temple in Puri is not described as the largest temple, instead, it is a significant pilgrimage site, one of the Chardham, and legends state that an early version of the temple was intended to be the tallest in the world. Largest stadium Barapati Stadium, Cuttack. Barapati Stadium in Cuttack is a historic cricket venue with a capacity of around 45,000, not the largest stadium in India, which is the Narendra Modi Stadium in Ahmedabad. The Barapati Stadium is a key venue for international and domestic cricket, hosting ODIs, T20s, and even a few test matches, as well as football tournaments and concerts. Largest missile launching center Chandipur. The Integrated Test Range, ITR, is a missile testing facility composed of 2 complexes, Launch Complex 4, LC4, located on Abdul Kalam Island, and Launch Complex 3, LC3, located at Chandipur. As of April 2024, the Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO, is working to establish a missile test range at Junput area in West Bengal. The location is 177 kilometers from Kolkata, 40 kilometers from Digha, and 70 kilometers from Chandipur. The range will cover an area of 8.73 acres. The project received approval from the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. Largest mine Talcher Coal Mines. Talcher coalfield in Odisha is the largest coalfield in India and one of the largest coal deposits in the world, holding the biggest reserve of power-grade coal in the country. It covers about 1,800 square kilometers and is operated by Mahanadi Coalfields Limited, MCL, a subsidiary of Coal India. Largest populated city Bhubaneswar. Bhubaneswar is the capital and largest populated city of the Indian state of Odisha, with a metro area population of over 1.1 million as of 2020. It has experienced rapid growth, expanding by 30% between 2011 and 2021, and is an important economic and administrative center for the region. Largest residential area Chandrasekharpur, Bhubaneswar. Chandrasekharpur is a popular and vibrant residential area in Bhubaneswar, known for its community-oriented atmosphere and mix of modern living with cultural heritage, but it is not necessarily the largest residential area in the city. While there isn't definitive data presented that Chandrasekharpur is the single largest, it is a well-established neighborhood with many available residential plots for sale. Largest zoo Nandankanan. Nandankanan Zoological Park is India's second largest zoo, located in Odisha, and is notable for its size and its unique role as a conservation breeding center, being the first in the world to breed white and melanistic tigers. The 437-hectare park includes Kanjia Lake, a bear safari, a white tiger safari, and is the only Indian zoological park to be an institutional member of the World Association of Zoos and Aquarium, WAZA. Longest river Mahandi River. The Mahandi River is approximately 858 to 900 kilometers, 533 to 560 miles long, flowing through the states of Chhattisgarh and Odisha before emptying into the Bay of Bengal. It is a major east-flowing river in India, known for its significant water potential, flood-producing capacity, and being the largest river in Odisha. Length approximately 858 to 900 kilometers, 533 to 560 mi. Highest mountain peak Deomali. Deomali is the highest mountain peak in Odisha, India, with an elevation of approximately 1,672 meters, 5,486 feet. Located in the Koraput district, this peak is part of the Chandragiri-Pottangi sub-range of the Eastern Ghats and is a popular destination for trekking, aerogliding, and experiencing biodiversity.